The word happiness is derived from words meaning chance, fortune, and luck, and today it generally refers to the feeling of satisfaction, gladness, and contentment. Without happiness, life can become arid, empty, and seemingly meaningless. And yet, when you do experience happiness, it can provide the fuel and motivation to keep growing through life with meaning and purpose, and the feeling that your life just makes sense. The question becomes, under what circumstances do you experience happiness, and how are you pursuing these positive motivators?